Conor Coady says Wrexham aim to upset and disrupt Championship teams as they return to the second tier for the first time in 43 years. Phil Parkinson's side marked their comeback with a narrow 2-1 defeat at Southampton, conceding twice late on. Hollywood co-owners Ryan Reynolds and McElhenney were absent, with their first glimpse of Championship action likely to come when West Brom visit the SToK Racecourse this weekend. Wrexham's meteoric rise through successive promotions from the National League to the Championship has created intense scrutiny. But Coady signed this summer and well versed in top-flight football from spells at Wolves, Everton and Leicester, says the squad can thrive in the spotlight. "We're going to cope with it," said the 32-year-old England international. "We have to improve and then get better. That's the biggest thing." One of several debutants at St Mary's, Coady has already been struck by Wrexham's reach. At a recent friendly against Groningen, he was amazed at the support, recalling how teammate Ollie Palmer got mobbed by fans. It's amazing to see where this club has gone," he added. "I have so much respect for what's been done since the National League. But now we don't want to just enjoy being here. We want to mix it with the teams like Southampton." Former Real Madrid and Tottenham forward Gareth Bale is also watching closely. Speaking to Boardroom, Bale praised Wrexham's impact. "They've set a new benchmark on how to grow a football club. What they've done on the pitch, 3 promotions in a row, is unheard of. It's great for Welsh football and hopefully they continue to do well. But if we get Cardiff going, hopefully we go past them." Bale, part of a consortium bidding to buy League One side Cardiff City, sees Wrexham as a model for success. Since Reynolds and McElhenney took charge in 2021, the club's trajectory has always been entirely upward. They stated their ambition is to reach the Premier League, and if Bale's takeover succeeds, he will want to emulate their formula.